Read, count, learn, and grow. Explore with Miss K's learning adventures. Letter of the week, letter of the week, letter of the week. We know our letter of the week. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Letter of the week, letter of the week, letter of the week, letter of the week. We know our letter of the week.
Well, hello there, boys and girls. Can you guess what the letter of the week is? Can I get a drum roll, please? In 1, 2, 3. If you guessed the letter A, you were right. The letter A makes 2 sounds. The short sound says ah, ah, ah. Say it with me. Ah, ah, ah. Great job. And the long sound says its name. A, A, A. Say it with me. A, A, A.
Sing this song with me. The A makes 2 sounds. Short A says ah, 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 ah. The A makes 2 sounds. Long A says A, 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 A.
Great job. Now it's time to write the letter A. I tell you what, you go run and grab a piece of paper, a pencil, or a crayon, and I'll set the timer for 10 seconds and I'll wait for you. Are you ready? Ready, set, go!
Time's up, guys.
Do you have your paper, pencil, or crayon? I think they're ready. Let's get to work, little green. Start at the tippy top. Draw 1 slanted line all the way down. Go back up to the top. Draw another slanted line all the way down. And draw a bridge in the middle from left to right. Great job. Lowercase a, start at the tippy top. Draw a circle all the way around up to the top and draw a line down. Great job, boys and girls.
Now it's time to play a little game I like to call Sound Safari. You'll get 5 seconds to guess the picture that has the short A sound. Do you remember the short A sound? Ah, ah, ah. Say it with me. Ah, ah, ah. Great job. Here's the first 3 words. Apple, pear, watermelon. Apple, pear, watermelon. If you guessed apple, you were right. Mouse, cat, goat. If you guessed cat, act, you were right. Ant, bee, bird. If you guessed ant, act, you were right. Great job, boys and girls. the long A sound? Long A says its name. A, A, A. Say it with me. A, A, A. Here we go. Cake, pie, donut. Cake, pie, donut. If you guessed cake, you were right. Cake. Face, hand, ears. Face, hand, ears. If you guessed face, you were right. Corn, acorn, broccoli. Corn, acorn, broccoli. If you guessed acorn, you were right. Great job, boys and girls. Wow, that was so much fun. Don't forget to come back and join me next week for our next letter of the week. I'll see you later, my smart little alligators.